KitKat came out with bunnies, but actually, I think they're KitKats. So if you open this up, it looks like a bunny rabbit, right? But if you bite off the ears, then it looks like a cat. Oh, looks like a cat. Oh, I bit off too much. Here, I'll try this one. So I have to go like.
You bite up too much?
Like that.
Yeah.
Closer. No, I need it to like go up on the other side, so I need to bite in the middle.
There you
there's
go.
a cat.
There's a
That's
kitty.
a KitKat. See, it even says on his paw.
KitKat.
KitKat. Meow. Meow. Meow.
No, hoppity hop, hoppity hop.
What sound does the bunny make? The cat goes.